Hello all, I just got my hair done today. Looks so much better, like so pretty. Sam always kills it. So today we're going to get into my Boxycharm premium box from July. Came kind of late, but it finally came, and I got my Boxycharm add-ons as well. So I'm excited to show you guys. Let's do the add-ons first. Okay, so I got the Complex Culture brush set that also comes with a really pretty box. Kind of different. Comes with a really good deal. It was from the Mega Drop Shop, which it looks like it's a faux leather, of course. And then, oh, fancy pepper. Whoa. Ooh, I like that they didn't put plastic around them. You guys know I like that. Okay. Ooh, these look really nice. Oh my god, like look at the color of the handle. So pretty. A little bit of plastic, but like not as much as, you know what I mean. Ooh, the golden ferrule. Pretty, pretty. Ooh. These look really pretty. This was like, I think $14 for 5 brushes. They always do mega discounts during the sale, but it's, ooh, like a setting brush. Yeah, or like a highlighter. Pretty. Ooh. Yeah, really, really, ooh. A highlighter or something. These look so fancy and pretty. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so I got that. And then I also got from my friend Olivia from Liv Loves Her Makeup. If you guys remember back in the day, she's one of my really good friends. But anyway, she recommended this dewy skin primer from Ciate. She got in her Boxycharm, I don't know, a little while back, and I believe it's in the base box, but this was $9. So cute. It reminds me of, you guys remember the NYX Angel Veil primer, like back in the day when it looked like this? So pretty, like it's so reflective. My camera's like, what? So yeah, it's supposed to be super glowy, and I've been getting more into primers. And then, whoa, I'm missing. Okay, I think I think I'm missing something. I also ordered the Persona Cosmetics bronzer, and I don't see that, or maybe I took it off. I don't know. Anyway, let's get into the box. Okay, so came with some orange foam, and first we got the, everybody got this in their box by the way, the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Palette. So pretty, and this is all like raised and textured. It's beautiful. I did a look of this and I'll show you guys that right now. So beautiful. These shimmers are really nice. I've only played with some of the mattes. They're buildable, but I think that's really nice for like a neutral palette and like something kind of light. They were easy to blend. They're really pretty. I think this is kind of like a different neutral palette in my opinion. Like it has like a pinky shade, a light pink shade. This isn't like the burnt orange matte that I don't really, I don't like it, I just don't like it how it's in every single palette. Like this is more, I guess, like a Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek, if you know what I mean? And then more of like a latte, and then like there's like a mustardy color, which you don't always see in like a neutral palette, and then like a taupe. Like there's, I don't know, it's just kind of different. And I like how this is set up, like with the rose shimmers and then black and brown. Like I like it. I really it's really nice so far. Really nice. And then I'm giving this to my husband. It is the Outre, I don't know, by Use Me shampoo plus CBD conditioner and shampoo. It's supposed to be hydrating. So yeah, I'm gonna give this to my husband. This is super nice, and it says for all types of hair. Use Me on wet hair, mid to ends. Okay, so, and I probably will use the conditioner on my daughters as well. And then I already use these, so they're a little bigger than they used to be. But these are the Luxie sponges. So I was wondering, like, so I already use them obviously. This one is double-ended and it feels different from this one. I really like the texture, by the way. It feels so soft. It feels like a beauty blender. Apparently you can use one side for powder, then one side like dry for powder, and then one side wet. I use them both wet, but if you want to do that. So that's why this one has, well, you can't really tell now, but it's a little, the color is different. I don't know. But anyway, whatever. And then this is so bougie. This is from Avant. It's a blue volcanic stone purifying and antioxidizing cleansing gel. Guess how much this bad boy is? $100. $100. And then this is not vegan. This is actually one of the products that I chose. And then I was like, it's not vegan. It has honey in it. Weird, but whatever. This is a big bad boy. This is from Stone Street Soap House, Geronimo. Wholesome body cream. And then I picked this. I'm glad I picked this. I love this so much. It's from Bare Minerals. It's their Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. And it has broad spectrum, SPF 30. I get the shade 1.5. I already have one, but I'm almost done with this. So I'm really happy to get that. And then I got this random nail polish, but I put it on Aria's nails. It's from Max Makeup Cherry Moyo. It's pretty. It's just like a nudie pink. Actually, I just found my Persona Cosmetics multi-stick. Never mind. So this is the shade Dune. It is a bronze multi-stick from Persona. I have never tried anything from Persona. Apparently you can put this on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. And yeah, I'm excited to try this because the only cream bronzer I have is from Rare Beauty, and I think I'm running low on it because I use it like every single day. The packaging is pretty similar to, this is actually from Merit Beauty. Let's try it. Actually, the packaging is like not at all the same. Okay. Wow. I'm hoping it's like a, okay. We'll see how that is. But I'm excited to use that. By the way, this is $9, so good price. So yeah, that is the box. Let's go over the pricing. So the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism eyeshadow palette is $48 for 18 eyeshadows, 6 shimmers, and 12 mattes. The Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. I thought that used to be $29, but everything's going up, of course. So it's now $37. And then the body cream from Stone Street Soapbox is $32. It's a new brand to Boxycharm. And then the Avant Skincare Gel, I told you, or actually, it's $110. Sheesh. And then the shampoo and conditioner duo is $66. So the Luxie sponge set is apparently Boxy exclusive and $40. So like a beauty blender, $20 each. So I thought it was a pretty good box. I really have liked the Boxycharm Premium, honestly, more than I liked Boxycharm. So I'm going to use these, except for like that this is going to Olivia, but I'm really excited to try all these products out. And I will be doing like a speed review on everything once I have enough time to play with all the products. So stay tuned for that. I'm also going to film my Petite Four and my Better Beauty box, which used to be Cruelty Free Kitty box, but now it's Better Beauty box. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.